All right, guys, this is Brandon with Lifestyle Cycles. We're here talking about Dominator setups. So this is a great seat. We've noticed a few things with people having a little bit of difficulty putting it on, so I want to come here and kind of clear the air and help you guys out. So first thing that we're going to do, so we're going to break these loose. That way, pull that guy right off. Set all that aside. You want to keep these washers on here. This is what's going to hold these studs on here. Next, we're going to take our Dominator seat. This bracket right here, bottom of the bracket is where you are going to start the studs. And having that been said, you're going to slide it about a quarter of the way on first. Get the nose started. You're gonna peel the foam and material back, wiggle it until the studs go right into that spot. Push it all the way down against the fender, and then you're gonna give it a couple of smacks. When you peel that back up, you should see the studs are at the back of the bracket now. Then we will grab our bag that was attached to the seat, which has castle nuts. These castle nuts are gonna go on top of those brackets. Again, peel back that foam, get one started. Before you go all the way down, come over here to the other side. Then you're gonna grab a 5/8 wrench. Again, peel back the foam and material, slip it over the top, drive it all the way home. And move to the other side, same thing. Then you can get in there and massage the seat and material. Then we have our passenger pillion. This one happens to be the tour pillion, so it's going to be the wider version. We're going to grab our Allens. We're going to grab the 5/32. We're going to flip this tab around. And I like to get them just a little snug at first, and then you can tighten them down. That way you'll get a nice even tighten on both. And then always get a fender washer with your Saddlemens. That'll press on there. And one of the things that I always get with customers is these little guys. Well, if you're paying attention to the castle nuts that come with it, they have a little groove in them. And that's where these guys are gonna go. Down in, you'll see those guys underneath here. So we can come back with our thumb screw now, and voila. All right, guys, and with that being said, now we have our Dominator set on the bike, and we're ready to go ride. Either take the passenger pillion off, go solo, slap this bad boy on, and go with your significant other. Hope you have a great day and hope to see you out on the road.